It is hurting. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Mama, I'm ready to sneeze.
You ready to sneeze?
Yes.
Well, go ahead and sneeze.
Mommy, it's pulled up. Mommy, are you know what I is? Are you saying to me? Are you saying to me, Mama? No.
What?
Just go by yourself.
Okay.
Take it off. Take it off.
Okay, take what off?
My turtle. Take my turtle off. I can sneeze.
So you can sneeze.
Mommy, open it. Open it.
It's open.
No, let me sneeze.
Okay, go ahead and sneeze.
Mommy, I want to sneeze.
Go ahead and sneeze.
No. Mommy, it's not good. Mommy, I don't know how to do it.
What do you want to do with it? Here, sneeze on the turtle right here.
No.
Sneeze on the white side.
No.
How do you want to sneeze?
Because I'm not.
Is there a special way you need to sneeze? Okay, but don't sneeze.
Mommy, I can't see my nose already.
Okay.
Mommy, count on one.
1,
Count.
1, 2, 3. Woo, good job, but I thought you had to sneeze. Would you?
And my nose is sneezing.
Your nose is sneezing.
Mom, I made you sneeze.
Go ahead and sneeze. Wow. Ew. That baby is sick.
Mommy, go sneeze.
Okay, go ahead and sneeze. Woo. Thank you.